Well guys, this is Larry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We haven't been posting too many videos lately because we've been actually moving to a new location up in Northeast Texas. We got old big Bertha out here, GodZilla back up and running, and made a couple changes to it, but we decided to cut some pine logs this time around. We haven't been cutting any pine since we had the machine. We've been mostly doing, cedar, mesquite, and a little bit of pecan. The only thing we really changed on it at this point was I changed where my water bottle's at to make it more convenient. And then I come down here and I put a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch block and drill a hole and put water line in there to drop the water on the blade. And then I put the blade guide on the opposite side of this where I had it on this side before. But we're in the process. We're going to be actually building a new sawmill. I'm going to use the same setup I got here now, but we're going to actually make it a little bit smaller. This thing's got a 197 inch blade, and the blades cost you twice as much as a 158 or 144 inch blade from Woodmizer, which I feel has some of the best blades out there on the market. Woodmizer is just top of the line. I'm not endorsed or paid by them, but I pay that outrageous price for the blades. You kind of get what you pay for in this world. So, if you want a blade that's going to last a long time, Woodmizer's it for me. I've tried a lot of different ones, and I can't say enough about those. But anyhow, back to, we're going to be building a new sawmill, and it's going to be a lot shorter, and it's going to be, oh boy, my dog over here, she going to want me to throw the ball. Where's your ball? Hold on, mama. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? I can't throw it if you don't give it to me. I don't know where you put it. But you'll start barking here in a minute, letting me know. Oh, there it is. Sorry about this, guys, but kids come first, right? Okay, let's throw this again. There. But anyhow, we're going to be building a new sawmill. It's going to be on a 158 inch blade. It's going to be a lot narrower. We're going to use the same wheels, the 18 3/4 inch. And it's going to be a lot shorter than what you see here. Give me a little bit here, and we're going to fire this little thing up and cut another piece of this old pine wood that's been sitting in the bottom of a pond out on the deer lease. Actually, some pretty nice stuff come out of it. I thought it'd be all rotten, but it's actually in pretty good shape. And then I'll be putting some videos together of the new sawmill build, kind of in phases. Maybe the carriage and then the rest of it, each step as I go along. So stay tuned, hit the like, subscribe button. And we appreciate y'all guys watching these videos. I know we don't have a professional video, but we do the best we can with what we got, including this mutt here running around wanting my attention while I'm trying to video. She's something else. She's just another one of our rescue dogs. But if we could save them all, we'd save all the dogs in the world, but we can't do that. Anyhow, guys, keep watching. Stay tuned for the new videos on the new sawmill and how we progress as the build goes along. We'll also be cutting, like I said, here shortly. I'll get a quick video of cutting this old pine wood here, so stay tuned, watch that, and stay in touch. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, we got it cut. There you go. Nice piece of pine there. Still a little wet, but ought to be able to do something with that piece of pine wood. There's the back side. It's not quite as pretty. It's all dirty still, but you let that stuff dry out. You make some nice shelves with it. Like I said, this old homemade sawmill does a pretty good job. Thanks for watching, guys.